Welcome to today's episode, where we'll be diving into the exciting world of Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and XRP. We've got some really cool topics lined up for you, so let's get started. First up, we'll chat about Bitcoin's massive surge in value and how it's changing the digital landscape. Then, we'll give you some insights into the crypto market, including Bitcoin and XRP, and help you make informed decisions about investing in ETFs or direct ownership. We'll also talk about the recent dip in Bitcoin's value and its subsequent rebound, as well as Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin's vision for increased trust and transparency in the crypto industry. Next, we'll take a look at some exciting altcoins like Depin's $13 billion gem and Serenity Shield's Strongbox, and give you the lowdown on their potential as investments. Unfortunately, we'll also be discussing the story of a Denver pastor's crypto scam, which exposed deceit and a $1.3 million fraud. But don't worry, we've got some more positive news to share too. We'll be telling you all about KLXO, a Web3 gem that's attracting investors in Solana, SOL, and Ripple XRP. We'll discuss SOL's recent value of $100.80 and Ripple's potential for an ETF spot. Plus, we'll cover KLXO's 2.2 cents pre-sale, which could be a game changer in the crypto world. Finally, we'll be talking about Max Kaiser's prediction that XRP's value will drop to 1 cent. This prophecy has caused quite a stir in the crypto community, and we can't wait to dive in and explore it with you on today's episode of SatoshiBuzz. Hi there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to SatoshiBuzz, your live source for the latest news on Bitcoin, XRP, and the ever-evolving crypto landscape. I'm your host, Tochukwu Okonkwo, and I'm thrilled to be here with you today to share some exciting news. Are you ready for this? Bitcoin is booming. The hash rate has shattered all previous records, soaring past an incredible 500 exahashes per second. Can you believe it? This is a monumental achievement for our digital gold. This surge in hash rate is a sign of a thriving ecosystem, bustling with enthusiastic miners. It's like watching a city grow in prosperity and strength. The more computational power, the better the foundation for scalability and resilience. But what does this mean for the price of Bitcoin, you might ask? Well, it's not a straightforward answer, my friends. While a robust hash rate has historically been associated with a bullish surge, we're in for a nuanced ride. It's a complex dance, but we're in this together. We'll need to keep an eye out for regulatory headwinds and geopolitical tensions that could throw a curveball. But don't worry, we'll navigate these uncharted waters together. Listen up. Some folks say 1 BTC equal 1 BTC, but slow your roll. The world revolves around Bitcoin and is essential to assess its strength in this ever-changing crypto landscape. First up, market capitalization and liquidity. Bitcoin, a digital maestro with 21 million beats, creating a symphony of blocks every 10 minutes. But the real focus is on its price, a critical signal reflecting adoption in a global monetary arena. So, can you feel Bitcoin's pulse? Don't sweat it, my friends. Bitcoin's price journey has been a wild ride, resembling a chart that's dancing to its unique rhythm. It's weathered storms, stood firm against central bank maneuvers, and proven its mettle. Our digital gold is holding its ground. But liquidity, the lifeblood. Bitcoin, like a globetrotter, traders billions daily, rubbing shoulders with the likes of Apple stock. Liquidity begets liquidity, and as Bitcoin levels up, the big players are eating it. So, who would buy Bitcoin at 100K or 200K? The answer, those who couldn't until it bloomed. Let's take a moment to explore this. On January 10th, 2024, the SEC's approval of 11 Bitcoin ETFs sent shockwaves through the crypto landscape. It's exciting news, but now the big question arises: should you ride the ETF wave or stick to the traditional route of owning Bitcoin outright? Let's break it down. Imagine a spot Bitcoin ETF, a financial product that trades on regulated Wall Street exchanges. It mirrors the price movements of Bitcoin, but it's a separate entity with its own market that trades independently of the actual asset. It's like a symphony of investments. However, owning the ETF doesn't mean you're holding the actual Bitcoin. It's like having an entry ticket to a concert without meeting the artist. The ETF shares are backed by Bitcoin and are kept in the custody of the provider, which takes care of the security concerns. But here's the catch: each ETF has its own set of fees, which you should understand before investing. Managed by the ETF provider, it follows US trading hours, which means it has its own rules and limitations. Now, let's move to the option of buying Bitcoin directly. No middleman, no mimicry. When you own Bitcoin, it's yours, a tangible piece of the crypto orchestra. Shifting our focus to this one, a prominent analyst suggests Bitcoin is about to take a plunge, deep enough to make even the most seasoned traders question the ongoing bull market. Brace yourselves for some turbulent crypto weather. According to Rect Capital, with nearly 400,000 followers on X, Bitcoin is gearing up for a correction that'll send shivers down the spines of BTC bulls. Picture this: a retracement that convinces you the bull market is done, only to see Bitcoin defy expectations and resume its upward journey. Analyzing Bitcoin's weekly chart, Rect Capital points out a critical level, 41,325. If Bitcoin wraps up the week below this mark, it might trigger a cascade effect, signaling a potential downturn. The suspense is real as the crypto community watches and waits. But here's the twist: while short-term concerns loom, Rect Capital remains bullish on Bitcoin's long-term prospects. He sees two powerhouse catalysts on the horizon: the Bitcoin ETF and the upcoming halving in April 2024. In a world where transparency is key, Buterin stresses the importance of individuals and crypto organizations maintaining the public's trust. What sparked this? Two significant crises, one involving Sam Bankman-Fried and the other involving the OpenAI board. Buterin isn't just pointing fingers, he's calling for a conversation. He believes that the fundamental problem is not just in controversial actions, but in the lack of a transparent dialogue with the public. The FTX scandal serves as a warning. Quick condemnation requires solid evidence, and the absence of a governing board at FTX exposed a critical oversight. Buterin's insights go beyond finger-pointing. They highlight the challenges of corporate governance in the uncharted waters of crypto. The criticism revolves around valuing public trust and legitimacy. Fraud and insensitivity, as seen in Bankman-Fried's case, and opaque decision-making, as witnessed with OpenAI, highlight governance pitfalls. Buterin suggests a governance model that not only follows the law, but genuinely engages with the community, respecting the public's right to understand and influence decisions. How can crypto companies build trust, transparency, and accountability? Buterin asks the question, and the answer may lie in a governance model that goes beyond legal compliance, embracing genuine community interaction. However, some believe that Buterin's vision is too idealistic. Balancing idealism and pragmatism remains a challenge. Crypto is a realm of innovation, debate, and evolution. Listen up. Wall Street analysts are predicting a 300% surge in the crypto market by 2032, and Bitcoin the heavyweight champion, is expected to lead this charge. So, fasten your seatbelts. We're about to explore the smoothest ride to catch this surge, and it involves a familiar term, Bitcoin ETFs. Are you tired of managing multiple accounts to invest in Bitcoin? Well, the recent approval of 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs by the SEC is turning heads. These ETFs, which track Bitcoin's price, could simplify your crypto journey by bringing it directly to your brokerage account. Let's embark on an adventure into the mystique of DePIN, which stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. It's a term that's rapidly gaining popularity and has a total market cap of over $13 billion in the crypto world. Have you ever felt like you missed out on the gains from Filecoin and Arweave? Don't worry. Today, we're introducing a small cap DePIN project that could be your golden ticket, Serenity Shield. Serenity Shield is not just another DePIN project. It's making waves in the world of decentralized storage. Imagine this, the Web3 version of Dropbox, and they're offering something special, the Strongbox. Creating crypto accounts can be a hassle, right? But Serenity Shield Strongbox is changing the game. You can mint your NFT, control your keys, and reserve your space in their network with just a few clicks. And guess what? The first 6 months are on the house. There are no mint fees, no gas, just a smooth entry into the world of decentralized storage. Listen up. Eli Regalado, the pastor behind Victoria's Grace Church, is accused of scamming investors out of $1.3 million through a worthless crypto named Index Coin. It's a reminder that the crypto world can be a little shady sometimes. Imagine this, promises of miracles, enticing statements, and a crypto project named Index Coin, all orchestrated by Pastor Regalado. He weaved a web of deceit, luring online investors with the hope of financial miracles in exchange for their hard-earned money. The Kingdom Wealth Exchange, created by Regalado, now faces securities fraud charges. The promises were grandiose, a ticket to the kingdom where wealth would overflow. But alas, it was a scheme. Investors, hoping to do good by contributing to causes like helping orphans and widows, saw their money vanish into the pockets of the deceptive pastor. What did the Regalados do with the ill-gotten gains? They splurged on Range Rovers, jewelry, high-end purses, cosmetic dentistry, and more. The funds intended for charity were diverted for personal extravagance. It's a grim tale of betrayal wrapped in the cloak of faith. Let's take a moment to explore this. The new kid on the block, KLXO, is making waves in the crypto space with its first pre-sale at an amazing price of 0.0022. But why are Solana, SOL, and Ripple, XRP investors so interested in it? Let's find out. Solana, SOL fans, listen up. Franklin Templeton's endorsement has sent SOL skyrocketing to $180. Now, imagine investors keeping an eye on KLXO pre-sale as a potential hidden gem. The question is, will it outshine Sol in the crypto galaxy? Meanwhile, in the Ripple XRP world, Chief Technology Officer David Schwartz pitched the benefits of the XRP ledger to Franklin Templeton. With Ripple gaining traction, there's talk of an XRP ETF spot. The ripples are spreading, and investors are watching closely. Now, let's focus on KLXO. It's not your typical crypto. It's a Web3 lending marketplace offering decentralization. No KYC hassles, instant payouts, and reduced fees make it stand out. It's not just about borrowing and lending. It's a revolution in the making. Shifting our focus to this one, outspoken Max Kaiser is back in action. Max is predicting an XRP crash to $0.01. Yes, you heard it right. So, hold on to your digital wallets and let's take a closer look at this. Max Kaiser, a hardcore Bitcoin advocate, has a track record of making bold predictions. This time, he's calling out XRP, labeling it centralized garbage on Twitter. He claims it's headed straight for 0.01. Can you feel the crypto shockwaves? It's clear that Max is a Bitcoin maximalist. He believes all other cryptos, including XRP, are centralized and destined to crash against the mighty Bitcoin. This isn't the first time he's thrown shade at XRP, emphasizing its centralization, especially with the SEC keeping a close eye on Ripple. But don't worry, my friends, Max Keiser has also been tweeting about Bitcoin, still holding on to his $220,000 scenario. Amidst the chaos, the Bitcoin believers find a glimmer of hope. Talk about a roller coaster of emotions, right? As for XRP, it's been on a roller coaster ride of its own, fluctuating with Bitcoin's recent dip. Max Keiser's predictions are just adding fuel to the fire. It's currently hovering around $0.54583 after a recent dip to $0.52288. Will it defy Max's prophecy, or are we in for an XRP roller coaster to 0.01? That's all for today's Satoshi Buzz. Let's stay connected, share your thoughts, comment, and be an active part of our crypto community. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, and until next time, keep shining in the crypto space, my friends.